Alright, so here we are at this camp. Okay, wife's car. My car is the parking area. You have the pool with bathrooms right there. And now we're gonna start our walk back. It's gonna be about a half mile or so. Maybe a little bit more, a little bit less, something like that. If you can't really hear me, I'm sorry. But I have a shemagh on because of the mosquitoes. So you got a couple trails there, fire pit, and then these are a couple buildings that they use for educational classes, I think. Says Camp chowenwaw creature exhibit, and I think the other one's a insect exhibit or a nature center is what it is. So pool's pretty nice. It's 10 feet deep, but it doesn't open until next weekend. So we didn't get a chance to go swimming, but squirrel, say hi, squirrel. So here we go. About to get out of the recreational area here. Start our trek back into the woods. The insect research area. Says do not mow. They do a good job of keeping it mowed out here apparently. And they've got this little pond. I want to say it's probably a spring fed. They are aggregating the water, just keeping it clear. It also has a drain over here. You may be able to hear it. Should be coming up close to it. So it does drain down there. Got a pipe, I don't know if you can see it right there. But water is crystal clear. Nice little pond area. Got some turtles I can see in there. There was a turtle on that green platform when we got here, but it has since gone. But yeah, a nice little dock here. The pond environment. I guess it's talking about what kind of critters and whatnot you might find in the pond. It's spring fed, which I don't know if you can really see it, but you can see clear to the bottom there. But yeah, nice little pond. The spring fed, I wouldn't think that you'd find many snakes or anything in there. Seeing how they're cold-blooded and whatnot. Definitely no gators. But here we go. Back on the trail. So this is kind of the main road in, main road out. Smog's falling. Just a dirt little path more than anything else. Very, very swampy back in there. Mosquitoes are getting kind of bad. You can see it gets pretty thick. Treehouse Trail right there. It does have a boardwalk. It says that boardwalk doesn't connect to the tree houses, but there is a boardwalk over by the tree houses, so I don't know if it connects or not. Sign says no, but just to give you an idea, I mean, walking at a decent pace, probably a 10-minute mile or so, maybe a 12-minute mile. Coming up to the next set of buildings, these are actually going to be cabins. Right there's a bathroom, and then the cabin over here. Looks like those cabins have power. Got a couple places to play horseshoes or cornhole, something like that. Grill, picnic tables. Come in there a little bit. Same thing. Got a couple of these stations, 4 or 5 of them probably. But continuing on back. So this is a old Girl Scout camp. It's also a state park, I believe, now. They do allow overnight camping, obviously, but we are the only ones in the entire park right now. It's a 100-acre park, and we are the only ones here. So that being my wife and 2 boys. So coming up to the tree house. So there's another trail going that way. Kind of see it beat down, but not much. Treehouse Point. Starting to be able to see a little camp area right there where people can go do classes or something like that. And then maybe you can see the tree house to the trees there. Total of 7 tree houses. You got this community building which has a stove in there, or a fireplace rather. There's a tree house. Also has a full kitchen, bathrooms, but tree houses, and that's that.